Hello, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings, my beautiful family. We have our dinner today. It's a lazy Saturday. We are just relaxing. We are lazy, but we can't leave you without a recipe. Silverfish. The ingredients: tomato, onion, and groundnuts. We are going to prepare our groundnut stew, so stay tuned. We have here some garden egg, so we are going to add in silverfish, garden egg, and groundnut to our stew. Stay tuned. Let's watch this video until the end. For the new viewers, you are highly welcome. The returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting your girl so that the channel grows. Let's prepare our dinner. Groundnut stew paired with our matoke, mashed matoke, steamed matoke, Ugandan style. Let's cook our dinner. The stew for that day. Please stay tuned. Let's prepare our dinner. Groundnut stew paired with our matoke, mashed matoke, steamed matoke, Ugandan style. Nyongeramu amazzi. Kubeeranga mbafu. Let's prepare our dinner. We have our dinner is here cooking. Yes, we are preparing matoke and groundnuts. So stay tuned. This is our matoke here. Groundnut stew paired with our matoke, mashed matoke, steamed matoke, Ugandan style. Let's cook our dinner. So please, our groundnuts are now ready. As you can see, this is real Ugandan's groundnuts. Very organic and nutritious recipe for the day. Saturday recipe. The channel is all about cooking. We have a lot of recipes, African recipes on this channel. So please, let's learn together different types of food and different types of recipes. Groundnuts. Our matoke is also here cooking well. Our matoke is ready. Even though we didn't share with you the process, but please, we have a lot of recipes for matoke, steamed banana. So you check our videos, steamed banana, they're there. So let's serve our dinner. Stay tuned and don't skip any. You just watch the video until the end. Healthy recipes, simple recipes from Africa Flavor Habib Kitchen. Enjoy your day. Happy Saturday to you all. Happy weekend. Let's enjoy our weekend with a nutritious recipe, groundnuts and matoke. Yeah, we didn't include cooking oil. Nuts do produce is natural cook. So this is natural cooking oil from groundnuts. It takes time. You need to be patient with this recipe if you want the good results. You need to be patient with it. So thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Our dinner is now ready. Let's enjoy our steamed banana, Ugandan style, with groundnuts. Let's enjoy our dinner. Healthy recipe, a healthy stew for the day. This is groundnuts, peanut butter. It's a peanut stew, Ugandan style. Come, we enjoy our recipes, please. Let me know where are you watching us from. When you come to Uganda, please, you look for African Flavor Habib Kitchen. You taste the taste of Uganda, the pearl of Africa, Uganda. So thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Continue supporting our channel by subscribing, viewing, drop comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye.